Hi, and welcome back to the TRT and Hormone Optimization channel. We already did a bunch of videos on this channel about what needles and syringes to use for your TRT. But in this video, I want to quickly recap all this so it is very clear to you what sizes of needles and syringes you best use. So in a lot of countries you have these 10 milliliter vials, and to draw out the testosterone from that vial you need a drawing needle, for example an 18G. If in your country, like in Europe, you have these glass ampoules that have 1 milliliter of testosterone, what you can do, you buy separate sterile 10 milliliter vials, you open 10 glass ampoules and you transfer with the drawing needle all the liquid from the ampoules into one 10 milliliter vial that you then can use for a long time. So each time you're going to inject your testosterone, for example 2 times, 3 times a week, maybe 1 time a week, you draw with the 18G needle into your syringe. For example, you use this typical 1 milliliter syringe. That's enough, of course, since you're only going to inject 0.3, 0.5 milliliters. And then most men in our group, we have come to the conclusion that most like to inject in the delt or the ventral glute, and for that ideally you can use 27G needles. Most men don't have fat on these areas, delt, ventral glute, so half an inch 27G needles are more than enough. I will put links in the description of this video to make it easier for you to buy this stuff. And that's really it. So you need 1 milliliter syringes, you need drawing needles 18G and injection needles half an inch 27G. Next to maybe the sterile 10 milliliter vials if your testosterone come in glass ampoules in your country. And now, if you'd like to watch a more extensive video on this topic, go and click on this one and see you there.